तो लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो और वो बेल नोटिफिकेशन है उसको ऑन कर दो ताकि आप भी मेरी तरह ड्राइंग बना पाओ. Okay, 1 2 3 go video.
Hey guys, jealous of my fancy new phone case?
What are they
It's
doing
pretty
with
cool,
phone
I know.
cases? Phone case looks a little bit good.
Yup. I know how to put
She's
Lana's
like,
case to shame.
no man, that white phone case looks
Start
good.
off with a clear phone
Don't
case.
do anything with that.
Then give it a coat of white paint.
Buy new
It doesn't
phone
have to be
case
super
and
thick.
do this stuff.
Just enough to serve as a base coat.
I don't
that dries,
get, man.
Move on to the thermal nail
If
polish.
we are having a factory of
Let
phone
it drip
cases,
out in
then
little
that's
globs
okay.
like this.
Okay, nail
Now
polish.
flatten the globs with the brush a bit. Run the brush
What
down
the
in
hell
streaks
is
if you can.
doing? Wasted 2 or 3 nail
Eventually,
polish
it'll look like
bottles.
this.
What's
But
that?
you still have one clear coat to go.
Okay, coating
Very
it.
nice. Once it's dry, give it a press.
Okay, fingerprint.
See the colors changing?
That looks too dumb and bad.
Yeah, I'll meet you after class, okay?
It's not a mess. You
Where
are
did
not
get
kid
that
ladies.
case? Does it read temperatures or something? This is the coolest case ever.
Who are those 2 boys, man?
Class
Cool
is
phone
over.
craft.
Time to grab your phones. Let the
Okay.
texting and
Silent your
scrolling
phone, of
commence.
course. Those are just covers. Those are not phones.
I gotta get mine. But how am I
Okay,
supposed
which
to find
school
it?
allows this type of things? I don't know.
How'd you know it was yours? Aw, my mom.
Who
Hello?
mom is calling in school?
It's for you. Hello? It's for
Whose
you,
mom
Kylie.
is this, man?
Hello? Hi,
People
Mommy.
don't even know whose phone is
well.
that.
Everyone's phones look alike.
Those all phones are
Mine in there?
different. So,
Bingo!
one is iPhone, one
And
is
now we're
Samsung.
down to 2.
How you can get
Ugh,
confused?
these selfies are hideous. Ugh, but this one's even worse. Problem solved,
How
I
you can
guess.
be so dumb, man?
I can't let this happen again.
What are they doing? Don't just
Cut a
craft your
sponge
back
into
covers,
pieces like
please.
this.
They are using sponge.
Take the case off of your phone and paint it with your favorite nail polish.
Again,
Random
nail
globs
polish.
like these work best. And a dash of sparkle, of course.
They didn't have made more nail polish on their nails.
Take the
than
sponge
this
and pat
back end
everything.
covers.
See how it's blending?
Okay.
Repeat the process a couple times.
If it's looking good
That
in
way,
the
you'll
end,
get a
then
cool
it's
texture
good, by the way.
going.
But don't waste this type of things. I hate.
Take a toothpick and use it to
Okay,
splatter
toothpaste.
white
All
polish.
colors, all
Looks
colors are
pretty
just
cool,
pleasing.
huh?
Washed away. That red is not looking like red.
Now pat it once more. Last
Again,
but not
one
least,
more layer.
put on a clear top coat. Just let it pile up on
Looking
there.
little bit good, not that good.
And once it's out, spread it
Wasted
all
so
around.
many layers of thinner.
Now just wait for it to dry. Selfies are more fun this way.
It's not looking good. Go and buy 40-50 rupees case cover. Don't waste this.
Oh hey,
Okay.
you're kidding. Looks like you started a trend, Olivia.
Everyone
so much
made
for
that
being
cover.
unique. It's Saturday, which means
Okay.
all snacks all day.
Watching movies and eating. Yeah.
Adam!
Adam.
He can't
Who's
see me like
Adam?
this. Oh, I'll sweep later.
Okay.
Look alive, look alive. Hey, babe.
Okay.
Isn't he cute?
Oh,
I hope
his
he can't
tits
see the
look
crumbs
good,
to my
man.
right. While things may look
Nice.
calm now, one move
Okay,
can change
phone just dropped.
everything. Uh-oh. Oh! That had to hurt. Now I have a
That don't
throbbing
hurt so much,
headache.
man.
Adam! Is he still on the line? He hung
Phone is
up.
gone? Yes,
This
it should be.
stinks. Hey!
What is she doing with
I
that
know how
rubber
to fix
band?
this.
Just don't
To
make
prevent
another
dropping
phone
your
case,
phone on
please.
your face, put a scrunchie over an empty phone case, long ways. Then stick the phone back in.
Don't use her handbag.
It's like your own handle, see?
You can stand up and hold
Adam,
phone.
is that
You
you?
don't have to just lift.
Sorry about that. I'm such a klutz.
Yeah, but it's Saturday.
No phone dropping here.
How am I gonna memorize all this? The exam's in 2 hours.
Examination is 2 hours and it's just
I
eating.
gotta love brain food. Maybe you should have set down a placemat.
Who did this thing with
No,
iPhone?
it's Lana's phone. She'd kill me if she saw this mess. She's
Why is
coming.
it doing that? Okay, someone is
Have you
coming.
seen my phone, Adam? What? Why don't you watch where you eat?
They should rename these titles to comedy
Just look at
scenes.
this thing. Gross.
Yeah, it's
Really
gross.
bad, Lana. Whoa, wasn't expecting that. Be right
Okay, don't
back,
tell
okay?
me she's making Maggie phone case.
Did you know noodles can be art? Instead of using wet
Noodles
sticky
can't
ones,
be art, man.
make your own. Squeeze out candy clay into a syringe.
Who are those
Doesn't look
people who
like
are
noodles,
having
does it?
his big
Just
injection
you
in their
wait.
house is bad.
Take a clear plastic phone case and squeeze
Okay,
out the clay
phone
in this
case.
pattern.
Whatever
Kinda
pattern
looks
is
like
that.
ramen noodles, right?
Okay, she's making a
The
noodle.
more you squeeze,
that
the
looks
more real
too
it
bad,
looks.
man. I will stop
Add
using
accents
that.
like little cracked eggs.
I will stop using phone if someone gives
Aw,
me that
look at that
phone
tiny
case.
piece of bacon. Hey, sorry I missed your call.
There is no need to decorate that, man. It was looking too bad.
Whoa,
do it.
check it out. Are those the noodles
Don't
I
eat
spilled?
that, bro.
Get your own noodles, Adam. Who knew I was good at painting?
Hi, Grandma.
Okay, what's going on?
I haven't checked the gram in hours.
Game over. That t-shirt looks good.
Guess I
Okay,
gotta charge
battery's
this thing
over.
up. I think my
Just
cord's
use
in.
charger. Yes.
Whoa! What monster?
Yeah,
chewed
it happens
through
by
this
the way.
thing? Does that mean I
Wire
can't
gets
use
broken.
my phone?
How
looks
it's
pretty bad,
related
right?
to this video, I don't know.
What in heavens was that? Ellie? I didn't
That
even hear
big
you come
look
home.
too.
What's wrong? Your cord is making you cry? Well,
Why is she crying?
Just pick
man?
it up,
Just
dear.
because there's wire broken? Just buy something new?
all that fuss over this little thing?
Yes.
Perhaps
She's
Grandma
crying
can
just because
solve
of
this
little thing.
conundrum.
Don't use that,
Of
bro.
course.
If it gets
I'll fix
heated,
the
it
cord
can get to
myself.
fire, man. Don't use that. What is she
For
doing
this hack,
with it?
you'll need to patch up that hole.
Just use sellotape
See
or
this
wire
straw?
tape?
Go ahead and cut it open.
Okay. That's the straw strip.
Now wrap it around the torn
Okay.
cord.
Good one.
It should
She's
fit
using
pretty
it with
snug.
it.
Perfect.
You can
Make
use.
sure it stays in
Okay,
place.
nice.
Blow hot air
That
onto
was
it
good
for a few
one.
minutes. Then, using yarn, tie a knot up at the top of the wire. Keep doing it so that it makes a pattern.
Nice. Now it will not break. Good one.
Then do the same thing with a new color. See how they blend together? By the
Don't
end,
do
you
it
should
with
have a cool
full wire,
design.
man.
Don't forget to tie it off at the bottom. Nice.
You just
Now
want
clip
to
off the
decorate
excess
things.
yarn.
Nothing else.
And there you have it. A brand
Okay.
new charging cord.
Time to finally charge this thing.
Yeah.
Oh no, is it gonna work?
Of course it will.
We've got power, baby. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, sweet dreams, Granny. Oh, let me fix that for you. And here's your yarn for when you wake up.
Hey, that voice looks like Mickey Mouse voice.
Okay, class. The test
Okay,
starts
test
now.
is going on.
Okay, I can do this.
Maths test.
Teacher's already distracted.
What happened?
Time for my secret weapon.
Rubber.
Flip my eraser, and there's the answer.
That's just one
Ava,
formula.
I can't trust you at all.
How you can pass that?
Hand it over. You don't even cheat
Of
cleverly.
course. Get out.
Hand over the rest of it too.
Okay.
Okay.
What are more-
Here it is.
Okay.
Pencil
More
bag.
formulas.
Textbook. Tape. Pen. Don't think I don't see your
We as
phone.
boys just have
Hand that
one
over too.
pen. Nothing else.
But look, the battery's dead.
You have phone with you while
Well, it's
giving
probably
exams.
fine then. Oh, phone, why have you betrayed me? Wait a
iPhone
minute.
13.
I think I'm coming up with a plan. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great.
Yeah, you can
I'll
just
need my
search on
phone
there.
and a picture of my phone. I'll cut out the camera section and bring in my cheat sheet.
Teacher
It'll
is
have to
not
be a
going
small
to tell
cheat
you
sheet for
anything
this
if
to
you
work,
have a phone.
but I can fold it in half
Right.
too. Just a spot of
Where's
glue on
the
the back
spoon?
side of the sheet, and the lens picture goes right on top. Just gonna carefully make sure it's in place. Perfect! My
Your
cheat
lens
sheet
will
is
get
hidden.
blurred, man.
I'm ready for the test. Hidden in plain sight.
Yeah.
Our little
You will get
secret.
passed with that 4 formula.
Wait until
okay?
teacher isn't looking.
Nice. Good. Don't
And
do
there's
that.
my cheat sheet. This test will be a
If
breeze.
you're watching this video, don't ever
First
do
question done. Oh, this is working
that.
great.
A square minus b
And
square is
done.
equals to a minus
I'll
b
just
a plus
close
b.
you right back up.
Yeah, of course. There was no
I did
deal.
it! I'm finished with the test. Well,
Okay.
let's see how bad you failed. Huh? That one's right.
How shit did that?
The
Without
second
cheating?
question, too.
Yeah.
In fact, they're all correct.
She's not
an A
having
plus.
confidence in her cheating.
You didn't
Ain't
cheat,
cheating.
right? Oh no, my phone battery is dead, remember?
Okay. Bloopers. That's a guy, not a grandma. Bloopers. They're just doing for kids. That's okay. If kids are watching, they will get entertained. Yeah, and they will learn art and craft things too. Nice.